Chris, where were you? It's so late.
I'm sorry. I missed the train.
I cooked all your favorite foods for dinner. And I waited for 3 hours.
I'm sorry. As I told you, I missed the train and then I took the bus.
I was so worried about you.
I tried to call here, but nobody answered the phone.
Oh, sorry. I was in the shower. Honey, what are you doing here? I was looking for you everywhere.
I was sleeping. Why?
I want you to go to the supermarket and get some things.
What? Right now?
Yes, now. Write it down so you don't forget anything.
Okay, what do you want?
Get a couple of carrots, some potatoes and some tomatoes.
Is there anything else you want?
Well, also 1 kilo of rice.
Okay, I will get those things for you. Do you have money?
Yes, here you are. Oh, before I forget, do we have any milk?
Yeah. There's little bit in the fridge.
Okay, you may go now.
What can we cook for today?
Let's make some Chinese food. Do we have any fish?
No, we don't have any. We used it yesterday for fish curry.
Do we have any vegetable?
How much do we need?
Well, I need about 1 kilo of mixed vegetable.
Oh, we don't have mixed vegetables.
Let's have a barbecue instead.
No, we don't have any steaks.
What about hot dogs?
Sure. We have lots of hot dogs.
That's great. I love hot dogs.
Hey, this is cool. Now we can order food from the supermarket over the internet.
Really? Wow.
Let's try this. What do you want?
How about 1 kilo of potatoes?
Okay. Do we have any milk or vegetables?
No, we don't have any.
Okay, I will order a little of milk and some vegetables.
I also want a cucumber.
Okay. Let's see. I ordered it. Police department. How can I help you?
Hello, a thief broke into my house.
Did he take anything?
Yes, he did. He took so many things. He took my jewelry, iPad, and TV.
Did he steal anything else?
Yes, he did. He stole so many things.
Did you see the thief?
Yes, I did. I saw him jump out of the window.
What did he look like?
He looked short and older.
What is your name and address?
My name is Natalia and my address is 444 Street Road. Look at my house. He took so many things.
Did your husband see the thief?
No, he didn't. He slept the whole time. He didn't wake up.
Okay, we will let you know if we get any information. Hello. Hi. Where were you? I rang your doorbell. You didn't answer. I was in the garden. I came to tell you that one of your neighbors saw the thief. That's great. Did you catch him? We are not sure, but we brought someone to the jail. My wife can go with you to see if he's the man. I hope we caught the correct man.
Where did you find him?
We found him on 45th Street Road.
Did he tell you that he was the thief?
No, he didn't. But when you see him, you can tell us if he is the thief or not.
Yeah, that's him. Did you find our things?
Yes, we did. We found them under his house.